I don't know what to say. No ways. No ways. Someone is gonna think about this. Imagine if you're a big person and you have to get on top of this just to wash your hair, where you can just sit down and relax, washing your hair on your phone. He came up with the idea where blood is gonna be rushing down your brain while you're washing your hair. You should definitely add this to 1,000 ways to die. I mean, obviously, it's not serious about this. So. You die before even washing your hair. Or they just say you washing your face also. You never know. Some people might want to try this. I mean, look, you're not even comfortable. What if you drown by mistake? That's why I said you should be added to 1,000 Ways to Die. I love that show. Now you proud of what you did? At least you did something. Your hair used to be soft and fluffy if you sit down and dry your hair also. Instead of turning it on now, guys, I'm gonna catch you guys on the flip side. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell for amazing videos.